In this video, we're going to cover how to manage and troubleshoot issues with the mobile app. The first arriving mobile app puts the platform directly in your members' hands. Available for both iOS and Android, it gives personnel instant access to announcements, events, documents, required acknowledgements, and dashboard content from their smartphone or their tablet, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So to access the app, it all depends on your device. As you already know, go to the App Store or Google Play and search for First Arriving or First Arriving Dashboards and download the official First Arriving app onto your device. A great way to launch First Arriving with your people is using the app during onboarding to send members a direct download link in News and Announcements or Platform Connect. It removes one more barrier to getting your team set up very quickly. Members who have accessed the platform on the desktop and created a password can log into the app using the same email address and password as the desktop platform. For those logging in for the very first time and doing it through the app, the process is identical to what we covered earlier with setting up a new account. So they're going to enter their email address and hit the Forgot Password button. That's going to send them an email with a link to set up their account. If a member can't log in through the app, verify in the admin panel that their email is correct, their account is active and they have a role assigned, and they're not accidentally trying to use an old login or URL. If the app continues to fail, but the web browser access works just fine, it's likely an app-specific issue. Update the app, clear the cache, or reinstall the app altogether to get it to work. Once logged in, members see a clean, mobile-optimized content feed. From the home screen, they can access and browse recent announcements, upcoming events, document library items, Platform Connect links, and required acknowledgements, along with any assigned dashboards. Category filters allow members to quickly narrow the feed to the content relevant to their role or to their interests. Required acknowledgements with pending deadlines appear prominently so members can complete them in a timely manner directly right there from their phone. Now let's discuss a little bit of the differences between the mobile app desktop and the large displays. The mobile dashboard experience is not a compressed version of the full dashboard. It's an entirely separate, purpose-built interface designed for small screens and field use. It displays information in a clean, vertical card stack with fast load times and simplified navigation. The mobile view is ideal when you need fast, readable information on the go. Things like checking staffing, reviewing upcoming training, reading a recent announcement, or completing a required acknowledgement. Use the full dashboard view on desktop when you need a complete multi-column layout with all integrations, complex widgets, and full rotation of behavior. Now, there are a few important limitations to understand about the mobile view. Live CAD alerting, real-time incident alert widgets with audible and visual alerts are not supported in the mobile web or the mobile app. These features require a dedicated dashboard display on a desktop browser. Similarly, embedded iframed websites and external web pages are not available in the mobile view. These require the stable, large screen environment of a dedicated device or desktop browser. Now let's talk about some troubleshooting and things that will help you when members come to you for help with their mobile app access. If content is not updating, have them just pull down on the feed to refresh it. Check their internet connectivity. And then if that doesn't work, have them log out and log back in. If one user has the issue and others don't, it's likely account specific, and focus on their account settings and email address. If they're getting authorization errors, verify the user's permissions in the admin panel. Confirm the account is active with an appropriate role established, and make sure their email matches exactly what's in the admin panel as to what they're using to access the mobile app. If the app is crashing or freezing, check for available app updates. Maybe they have an outdated version of the app through the App Store or Play Store. restart the device to shut it down, power it all the way down, power it back up, clear the app cache on an Android, and reinstall if you can't get it to work with those troubleshooting approaches. If people report required acknowledgements not displaying, confirm the user is assigned to the relevant content item, that the deadline hasn't already passed and they're just late in getting around to acknowledging, and that the content type supports acknowledgements and they're not looking for something to acknowledge that doesn't have a required acknowledgement attached. And if you go through those troubleshooting scenarios and they still can't get access, by all means, reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help.